What's up, guys? We back Sunday. I ain't got my partner in crime with me this time. She actually sitting right here eating she eating, and her hair tore up right now, so yeah, can't have her on camera like that. But yeah, we finna get this thing started off right, and you guys stay tuned because there's a lot of stuff I got coming up. Boss manifold install, some suspension stuff I got going on. Finna be a whole lot of stuff on the road to a pro charger or a supercharger or turbos. But anyways, finna get this thing started up. Had a long day, and we gonna get started with nardo 5.0. Thank you from Texas. Finna look at your car. It's different. I actually hit you up because East Coast Lightning, whatever, they supposed to sponsor me for some lights, and I'm supposed to be getting that installed next week, by the way. And my recording just stopped. Wait a second, I'll be right back. All right, there you go. Okay, yeah, we're gonna get it back. Yeah, but anyway, they stole a picture of your car or whatever. I don't know if you hit them up. Maybe they just wanted to use it just to show what a perfect car look like. But anyways, your car clean. GT500 front bumper, cowl hood. Those wheels are definitely different. I ain't never seen those wheels on a Mustang like that. They definitely different. That underglow, I never like underglow on cars, but it look good. That white, baby blue, and black theme you got going on, definitely perfect. Those tail lights, your pictures are on point. I don't know who take your pictures, but they do some good pictures. So I'm gonna give your car a 10 and 10 just for being different, you know. You're not like everybody else, same wheels, same everything, same hood, same front bumper. Yeah, I don't know. But 10 and 10, that roof is nice. That's definitely tough. And when I come to Texas, we gonna link up. So, moving on, that Mustang 302. Okay then, look like you got a YouTube yourself. So y'all subscribe to his channel. As you can see right here, I don't know your name. There it say Matthew ... But anyway, subscribe. Definitely clean. SVE wheels, or maybe those are the Ford wheels, maybe. I think they call it PGR, Project R, something like that. Maybe those are the legit wheels. I can't really tell the difference, you know what I'm saying? Boss front grille, since it is a Boss. You got it covered up, so I'm guessing it's garage kept. See what it sounds like. Okay then, Spring, you need to hurry up and get here. Okay. I forget the name of that blue. Gravel blue, I think. Yeah, that's definitely clean. I'm gonna give you a 9 to 10. You need to lower it just a tad bit and maybe do quad tips, and that car be perfect. 9 to 10. I want that motor you got though. That'll definitely make my car a lot faster to finish it off. So yeah, 9 to 10. Chris James Automotive, what's going on? You actually made the cover photo for that page that they made me admin of. I don't even know how I got admin of that page. We're not gonna talk about that. You got a clean school bus yellow Boss 302. That's clean. Simple, but it's clean. Then you got the is that Texas? I don't know. That's definitely not Texas. I don't know. Oh, Kentucky. Okay. And you got the Mach 1. Yeah, that's definitely clean. All your cars clean, man. The Mach 1, I'm gonna give it a 9 to 10, just because I like them older bodies anyway. That Boss, I'm gonna give it a 9 to 10 also. Those tail lights, we got the same tail light. I don't know why you switch from the I don't know why you switch tail lights, but clean. 9 to 10. You probably hear my mama laughing in the background. You shut the hell. S197 Junior. What's that going on, bro? I think you on bags. I don't even like these cars. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't like these cars at all. The older S197, I don't like them. But yours and a couple others are super clean. I can't knock it at all. That blue, I think it may be deep impact blue. You got a California special. It's bagged. So everything you done to it, I mean, makes it different. And it make it look good. I mean, can't really go wrong with it. Your pictures are all on point. Especially that picture with the sunset. That's definitely tough. 10 to 10, I'm gonna give you a 10. I don't like those body style, the older body styles, but your car look good, and you gotta get credit where it's due. So 10 to 10. Wait a minute. Is that tap? D tap? What's going on? You subscribed to my channel earlier, I appreciate that. Your car clean, I look at it all the time. I think you should do quad tips that'll finish off the rear end. Those wheels, I don't really know how I feel about those wheels. I think you should go with another set. That's just my opinion, but you like what you like. Those taillights, I do want those taillights, so I will probably be switching to those. Even though they look like mine, I'd rather have the 19 to 20 style, 18 to 20 style taillights, just because they look a little better. So I will be switching to those. You got your headlights done, change colors or whatever. I think you should be on bags. If you was on bags, the car would be perfect. But with quad tips, I'm gonna give you an 8 or 10. Car's still clean. There's a lot of clean cars on this time. So hell yeah, that carbon fiber is nice. Red wrong. Okay, you can't go wrong with that. Mach 1 Ant. It's you and like 3-4 other guys with the same color car, bro. Y'all car, that color, I don't know if it's the same color as the newer Ford color, and I forget the name of it. But it's clean. You can't go wrong with that car. I mean, it looked like a prime down car. Prime down car with clear on it. Okay then, Oscar 2 valve. Jose, I think. 4 pointers. Danny 2 valve. See you back there, bro. You clean. Okay, everybody in there. Your car definitely clean. Cobra front bumper. You got the front splitter. I think you told me where you got that from. I'm definitely gonna be putting that on my 04. So be on the lookout for that. Those wheels, I was actually looking at those same wheels, but I'm gonna change it up since you got them, and I don't want to be your twin, like, you know. And you got a 4 valve. Okay, that's a Cobra. Can't go wrong with that. Oh no, Mach 1. Duh, Mach 1 Ant. Duh. 9 to 10. Moving on, one slow yoke. Your car slow, bro. You know that. It sounds good though. Ruby red. Pretty clean. Wait a minute. Oh no, that's a family car. HRE wheels. I can see where the money at. You got some money. Let me hold a little bit. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put my cash app in the description. And when you watch this and you see your car, you inbox me. There you got a few dollars. Your car definitely clean. 18, 19 model. It may say it on here. It don't. But it's an 18, 19, 20 model. I don't know which one you got, but it's definitely clean. Blacked out lights. Stainless work headers. Got a good little bit of work done to it, and you got your calipers paint match, so that's definitely a big up. That's definitely clean. This roller right here is clean, bro. I look at this roller like every 2 days, like for real. I be on your page like stalking, like. I be like, damn, that car clean. What the fuck? That car super clean, bro. Like 10 10. I got you a 10 10. Somebody gonna get a 1 for this video with, cause everybody keep getting high numbers and stuff. I ain't with all that.
Hit me on.
Bye. 10 10. Co-notch. Bro, you got so many cars, bro. You got a 2004 GT Kenne with a Kenne bell. You got a 1992 notch. You got a 1946 Ford coupe. You got a 1966 F100. And I'm finna rate all of them. We're gonna start with the notch. That's my favorite car right there. That orange, comp orange. Super clean. 9 to 10. You got a lot of cars, so I got to give you a quick rating. Keep moving. 9 out of 10. And hey man, you want to sell me that car? Let me know. Kenne Bell 2 valve. Let me see, gotta find some more pictures of it. Okay, then shade back bumper. Of course you got the Kenne Bell supercharged. Look like you got Rovo wheels. Super clean, it's red. That's a plus. 10 of 10. It's going to your truck. I think this F100. Wait a minute. Oh, that's not sounding like that. Okay, that sounds good. That F100. I don't like those trucks. My daddy had one of those trucks, and right now it's in the graveyard. You need to stay there. I don't like those trucks. I'm gonna have to get that truck like a 6 or 10. But it's super clean. It's a classic. So I'm not gonna go low with it. Too low. 6 to 10. And that 1946 coupe. I don't see it on there. So that might be it right there. I don't know. I don't see that car. So oh, that is right. Is it right there? Yeah, that's really an old mobile right there. You might need some horses to pull that motherfucker. What the fuck? I'm gonna have to get that car. It's a classic. I'm gonna have to get like, I don't know, like 4. It's a work in progress too though, so 4 I don't know about the old cars. I don't even see how they drove them. Alright, moving on to M Doctor 5.0 or maybe MDR 5.0. Anyways, Dwayne. Call on Dwayne. You from Texas? Okay, black on black. If my girl was on here, I know she'll give you a 10 straight off just because your car black. And you sound good, okay. Corsa. Good morning, neighborhood. Boy, I would hate you to be my neighbor. I love that. Waking up in the morning. I cuss you out for a minute though. But your car clean, black on black. Okay then, car lot. We sponsored by the same people. Look out for that. Your car clean. I'm gonna have to give it a 9 out of 10. That black on black, you really can't go wrong with it. So that's definitely clean. You can't go wrong with black on black. Small Veal 5.0. Your car black and gold. It's different. That roller clean. Those gold wheels with that blue caliper behind it. Definitely different. Like you got some custom badges maybe. That stock picture, it came a long ways. You did some work to this car. Like seriously, you did some good work. Got the Superman 5.0 badge. That's definitely different. I don't know how I feel about those wheels. The gold color itself is clean. The wheels, I think you should have put a little more money on them. Cause the rest of the car is so clean that you just, I don't know what kind of wheels those is. Look like the American Muscle wheels. They still look good though. The Rouse square tips, round tips, oval tips, whatever you want to call them. It's a clean car. You can't go wrong with it. Okay, then you're missing the paint. Look gold. Cobra Jet? No, boss. Okay, then I need those filters for mine. So inbox me and let me know how you got that, and did you have to tune it out or whatever? Cause I want to get rid of all those lines and stuff. It just make it look so much cleaner. And is that a Superman on your hood, on top of your box? That's definitely a Superman. Maybe it looks like some titties. The color race car. Okay. But anyways, 9 out of 10. Your car clean. I think you should change those wheels and maybe go bad, maybe go supercharger. That'll definitely finish your car off. And with that being said, that's everything. And today is over with. This video is over with. I'll be back next Sunday rating some more cars, doing the same thing. You know, doing the same thing, because nothing changed on Sunday. That's what I do on Sunday, my chill day. So y'all keep building y'all cars the way y'all like it. I'm gonna build mine the way I like them, and I'm gonna rate y'all cars, and hopefully y'all rate mine, and yeah, we can go from there. But anyways, catch y'all next Sunday. I'm gone. Maybe I have my sidekick with me with her hair done, and appreciate you for watching. If I rated your car, subscribe, and that's it. I'm out.
you.